In this tip, we'll see how to use the awk command to compare records and fields between two files. Consider these two input files. Our goal is to get common and unique lines between these two files. So first we are going to save the contents of the first file as key in this array A. NR is total number of records and FNR is number of records for each file. So this particular condition will be true only when the first file is being processed. The next command is used to skip rest of the statements. When the second file is being processed, we need to check if the input record is present as a key in the array A. If this condition is satisfied, that particular record will be printed. We need to pass these two files as arguments, and you will get the common lines between these two files. By inverting the condition, we will get lines present in the second file but not in the first file. One thing to note is this NR and FNR comparison works only if the first file is not empty. So let me show you an example where the first file is empty. So what happens is NR value does not increment when the first file is processed. When the second file is processed, this condition will become true, but we don't want that. So in this case, the output is empty. Instead, we can use a flag. So F will be uninitialized when the first file is being processed. So this particular condition will become true. Before reading the second file, F will become 1 and this condition will fail. Thus we'll get the expected output. Next, let us see an example where we need to compare only specific fields instead of entire line. So our goal is to use these two fields to match the first two fields from this particular file. So now we will use $1, $2 as the key instead of $0. When you use comma, the value of a special variable subset is inserted, and the default value of this specific variable is a non-printing character which is typically not used in text files. So we have saved these two fields as keys in the array A. When the second file is being processed, again we need to construct a key based on the first two fields. Note that we are using comma as the separator again, and this is checked against the array A. So we get lines that match these two fields. Hope you enjoyed this tip.